Fifth question. Construct triangle DEF such that DE equal to EF equal to 6 centimeter. Angle F equal to 45 degrees. Construct its circumcircle. Now see here, angle F is 45 degrees. Therefore, among the two sides which are given, we will take the side which is having the vertex F, that is EF. So EF will be the base, because we have to measure angle F as 45 degrees. So if it is at the base, then we can keep the protractor on the base and measure the angle. So first let us draw a rough figure of the triangle. So we draw the triangle first. We said we will consider EF as the base. So here EF is the base. EF, the length we said is 6 centimeter. The third vertex is D, so we mark it as D. DE also is 6 centimeter, so DE we write here is 6 centimeter. This is what is given. Angle F also is given to be 45 degrees, so we write here 45 degree. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors of two sides of the triangle. So let us draw here one perpendicular bisector this way, and here one more perpendicular bisector. Also we have to show that we are constructing a circumcircle, so we have to have a circle passing through the three vertices of the triangle. So let me draw the circumcircle. So circumcircle is done, passing through the three vertices D, E, F of the triangle. Now coming to drawing the fair figure. We draw the fair figure. First we have to draw the base EF as 6 centimeter. So here drawing the base EF. It is of 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we have angle F as 45 degrees. Look at the rough figure. Angle F is 45 degrees. We are keeping the protractor at point F, measuring 45 degrees, that is between 40 and 50. The middle position is 45 degree. Then we draw a ray passing from F. We draw a ray passing from F through this point. Okay, so this is done. Also they have said that DE is 6 centimeters. So with the rounder, we take the measurement on the scale as 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So at E, I will keep the point of the rounder and cut an arc on this ray. So this is 6 centimeter. So now we join this point E or vertex E with the point of intersection of the ray and the arc which we have drawn. Triangle DEF is constructed. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors of any two sides of the triangle. So first we will draw of EF. We draw a pair of arcs above the side EF and below the side EF from the vertex F, and now from the vertex E. From vertex E, this should cut it, and now below here Okay, so they have cut each other. Now once they have cut each other, we have to draw a line passing through the point of intersection of the two pairs of arcs, which will be the perpendicular bisector of the side EF. Okay, so one perpendicular bisector is drawn. Now we draw the perpendicular bisector of DF. So above, we can make the radius slightly larger and draw above DF from the vertex F and below it. And now from D, again we cut this arc and the above arc. Okay, once we see that these pairs of arcs are got, now we will draw a line passing through the point of intersection of these two arcs. That will be the next perpendicular bisector which we have constructed of the side DF. Now we notice that the point of intersection of these two perpendicular bisectors is here at this point, that is, so we mark this point as the circumcenter. And now we have to construct the circumcircle. So from the point which is the circumcenter, we move to D and see the distance to D. Notice whether the distance is the same to E and also to F. And once it is the same, we construct the circumcircle. Okay, now the circle is complete and you notice that the circle which is drawn is passing through the three vertices D, E and F. So this is the circumcircle.